warm welcome to all of you amazing people out there to my channel, The Nature Scientist. Now, since this is my first proper video introducing the Nature Scientist, I would like to say that first and foremost, we need to understand what is the meaning of Nature Scientist. Who is the Nature Scientist? We are all made of 5 elements: earth, fire, air, water, and ether. These are the same 5 elements that are found in all natural beings. All the beings that are created by nature would have these 5 elements. What happens to a lot of people is that when they are in stressful situation, or when they are going through a heartbreak, or someone has deceased, or they have a job situation, or they have any such problem where they want to take a break, they say that I want to go away somewhere in the mountain or the beach, or I want to be alone, or I want to be in nature. But the true fact is that if you feel far away from nature, if you think that you're not at peace, if you think that there is a lot of stress, it means that you're actually not in sync with your own self. Because the same nature that you see in a tree or a plant or an animal is also within you. But your disconnection to your own true nature will always make you feel disconnected with the outside world. So what you see outside is simply a hologram, a reflection of what is happening inside of you. So a nature scientist is basically a person who studies this nature like a science. And through this study, through this scientific research, they find out, they come to a conclusion, they come to a union with the source energy, a complete and a permanent union with the actual nature that lives in you, not in bits and pieces, not on and off, not here and there, but in completion. Now for this, you have to practice. You have to practice the power of presence. Now some people get to this point by suffering a lot in life. They suffer so much that at one point they go like, okay, I'm done with this suffering. Some people sit in one corner, they breathe in and they breathe out. They follow various techniques to come to a mind stability. Now there are some people who are also good at sitting in one corner, but inside their mind, they still don't have control over their thoughts. So the actual way of doing this, to be in the present moment and to be able to find the connection that you have with the nature of everything. So by finding connection with your own true nature, you're actually connecting with actual nature, the universal nature, the universal intelligence that you have. You get connected to that. And the moment you do so, you surrender and you let go, and automatically everything starts happening on its own. This is called inspired action. So to be in that mode, to be in that flow of how nature allows everything to happen, the natural processes that you're supposed to do in your higher state, in your neutral state, in your wise state will happen automatically. You don't have to really make any efforts to be who you really are. For example, you're a person who's constantly drawn and pulled by negative situation and negative people, and they take control of you every time you're trying to do something good. Every time you're trying to be real, they take over you and they not let you do anything that you want to do. Now, these are the situations and these are the times when you're supposed to have more faith and look within yourself. If you are in a particular technique that tells you to look outside, to look externally and find all the problems and find all the areas of improvement, then you are in a wrong practice. And any good practice, any good technique will tell you to look within, to tell you to find stability, to tell you to find a way that can let you connect, have a constant connection. Now obviously on the path of practice, it can take some time because there is no shortcut to this. You have to understand this will not come to you in a day or two, in a month or 2 months. This is going to take time. This is going to put you through various tests. It will take you to situations, it will take you to many such areas where you need to do proper work. Now, I used to hear this, that people, place and situations cannot make you happy. But it was in 2016 that I actually learned this by personal experience. Through personal experience that I found out that my home, my permanent home is not in a person, it's not in a place, and it's not in a situation. I would have the personal home here. Why? Because God resides here. The universal intelligence resides within every single person. The only thing that you need to do is you need to awaken it and you need to realize it. And you can only awaken it and only realize it by constantly making an effort to be in the present moment, to watch yourself, watch your actions, watch your words, and always have faith. Guys and girls, whosoever is watching this, I want to say this, that I have literally tried everything. Like, I was one of those people who went to many places, who did many things, but I only found the actual essence when I started working on increasing my faith. Faith will give you everything, and literally faith can move mountains. So on that note, I'm going to end this vlog. If you have any more questions about the concept of the nature scientist, please feel free to write and comment, and I shall definitely get back to you. Thank you so much.